Hi everybody out there, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I thought that I would switch things up a little bit today and share with you how I style my naturally curly hair. If you saw my video from a few months ago on trying the curly girl method for the very first time, you would know that I have naturally very curly hair, and I've been just exploring wearing my hair curly more often. Over the past few months, I've definitely played around with a lot of different ways that I've learned that I like to style my hair and ways that I don't like to style it. Now, I would consider this to be like my no fuss routine. Minimal products, really simple, no fancy methods or techniques that I like to use. And let's dive in. I have just gotten out of the shower a little while ago. I have my hair up in a little, just like a cotton t-shirt. The shampoo that I have that I've been using for a couple of months now is this one here by Shea Moisture. It is their Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo that has shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. And I really like it actually. It almost feels like it's just like a conditioner shampoo kind of. So I really like it. It definitely does not make my hair ever feel like frizzy afterwards. The conditioner that I have also been using for a while now too is this one here by Nature Clean. And this is just their pure sensitive conditioner. It's really, really simple. There's only just a few ingredients. No sulfates, phthalates, that kind of thing. Same with this one. So really good for curly hair for sure. So I'm gonna take my hair out of the t-shirt and, oh God, just dropped the brush. I will now really gently brush out my curls. I know that a lot of times when people style their curly hair, they will only kind of comb out their hair in the shower with conditioner, which I did do as well. I just find that this helps me to achieve, I guess, the really easy style that I like. My hair's getting quite long. I'm trying to grow it out a little bit, although I definitely need a trim. Okay, so my hair has been brushed out a little bit. I'm now going to put in a little tiny bit of this curl enhancing smoothie by Shea Moisture. I also will sometimes use just a plain gel. That will work too, but this is kind of what I've got right now. Okay, and then I smooth it over all of my hair. Now I just do a little bit of scrunching, not too much. It makes sure that, you know, all the different types of strands just flow nicer. So at this stage, I just let my hair air dry. I rarely use my diffuser, and it's gonna take a little while. Definitely takes time. If I was in a hurry, I probably would just diffuse it, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and I'll be back in probably like an hour. Hello everyone, I have returned. My hair is now dry. I'm not done styling it just yet. All I do next is I use my brush. Now, growing up, I learned from a very early age. Side note, I absolutely hated my hair growing up, but I always knew to never brush my hair dry because it would make it so fluffy and so frizzy, and probably a lot of you guys can also attest to that and relate to that. But I actually do like to run a brush through it because it creates softer, fluffier curls, especially because I've switched to using shampoos and conditioners that don't contain sulfates and that don't strip the oils and make it really, really frizzy. You don't want to do it like that, but just really, really gentle. So here we go. I'll now just take my hands and kind of run my hands over top of the curls. Kind of helps to sort of put the curls back together, but in a much looser way. Like they're not as those tightly coiled curls like they were a moment ago. Alrighty, so that is how I style my naturally curly hair. That's how I like to do it. I like to keep it really, really simple. Sometimes I like to pin these pieces. You've probably seen me do that in some of my recent videos. Leave any of your suggestions below or your experiences with curly hair. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.